Inspections just got an upgrade. AsInt IntelliSuite is back with powerful new features and the same familiar tone as our other game-changing updates. Now you can view on-device analytics for logged-in users to track their monthly and yearly work performance. Enable inspectors to document findings on-site if any damage is detected during an inspection. Capture images on the spot or choose from your gallery, annotate them, and seamlessly attach them to your inspection reports. We've added seamless support for unit of measurement configuration to ensure standardized data entry. And yeah, along with many more feature updates, it's faster and smoother than ever. Update your app today and experience the new AsInt IntelliSuite. Scan the QR code to book a demo. We promise it's worth it.